Hi friends, this video shows how to manually set date and time in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select date and time. Then go to set date and time. Here we can see two options. Set manually, then set using internet. If we select set using internet, PS5 will automatically set date and time using internet. We can set date and time manually. Select this first option. Then here we can manually specify date and time. Here we can specify the time. Then select OK. Done. So this way we can manually select date and time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.